welcome to Cisco Kids CCNA certification topic of integrated help. In this short video, we're going to talk about how the built-in integrated help of your Cisco router can help you administer the router and switches in your environment. Now, help might be too strong of a word, but routers do offer hints on commands, command syntax, and features available in the routers at the privilege level. Different versions of the Cisco iOS have different features, and it's not easy to identify them all. Simplest way to see what commands are available is to ask the router. Once you're logged in, you could enter a single question mark at the command prompt, and voila, you'll see your output. So, without further ado, let's bounce on over to our hyperterminal session, hit enter. This way we can log in and simply type in a question mark. And we're going to see a litany of commands there that are available at this level. Notice it says right underneath the question mark, executive commands. So these are all the commands that are available at this executive mode, and these commands will be different than what are available at, say, the executive privileged mode. And as you go through the Cisco hierarchy of the iOS, there's going to be different commands that are available at the interface level, at different protocol levels, and so on. So now this could get quite confusing. So you could request hints about individual commands. Many actions require one or more words to complete the entire syntax, and Cisco's integrated help system will provide helpful reminders about syntax or required information upon request. For example, if we use the show command, that would be used to view system information. If you want to know what arguments the show command can take, ask the router by doing a show question mark. So let's do that. First, we're going to need to bounce into our enable mode. We do a show question mark, enter, boom. So we see a whole list of commands there, a whole page of it. And we hit space bar, we see another page, and another page, and another page. Now, we may not always want to go through pages and pages of commands, because as we load up more full-featured versions of iOS than I may have on this router, we may have 5, 6, 7, 8, 10 command or pages of commands. So, alright, I know it's something that starts with an A, so if I do show a question mark, really neat feature here is it will give you all the commands that start with an A. So we see access expression, access list, accountability. There's about a half a dozen different commands there. So let's say the one we want was show ARP. Now notice how on the next line is really nice. It typed out show A because it knows we at least wanted that much of it, so we could just finish it off by typing the RP for show ARP, and we get our show ARP output. Again, one thing to remember, the hints on a particular command are available only for that in that portion of iOS at that level of the hierarchy in the mode which the command is available. For example, commands beginning with, let's say, IP, such as IP route, are available only in the enable mode. If we did a IP question mark in the standard executive mode, that's just going to generate an unrecognized command because it's not a valid argument or command at that portion of the iOS. So we hope this topic was helpful for you. You can feel free to visit CiscoKits.com for more free Cisco certification materials, and to your Cisco certification success, we wish you the best.